In the depths of the mountains, there was a peaceful ashram. An elderly sage, an old monk, named Swami Achyutananda, lived there. He was advanced in age, yet his face shone as if a spring flowed in his mind. People came from far and wide to listen to his wisdom. Every day, some unhappy person would inevitably arrive. One day a young man came. His name was Arav. His heart was broken, his life was entangled, and his mind was filled with anger. He said to the monk, "Gurudev, I am very troubled by life. People don't understand me. My hard work has no value. My luck is always against me." The sage smiled as if he had heard this 1,000 times. He said, "Come with me to the river bank." Both reached the river bank. The sage threw a large stone into the water. Ripples spread all around. Then he said, "Did you see how one stone disturbed the entire water? Your troubles are also like this. A small problem shakes the entire mind, because the mind has become very weak." Arav asked, "So what should I do, Gurudev? How do I calm this mind?" The sage told Arav to close his fist. He put a little salt in Arav's palm and said, "Hold it tightly in your closed fist and throw it into the river." Arav did what he said. The salt dissolved in the water. The sage said, "Now taste the river water." Arav tasted it and said, "Guruji, the water is still sweet." The sage smiled and said, "Now put the same amount of salt into this small bowl." Arav put the salt in, and the water became bitter. The sage said softly, "Problems are like salt. Not more, not less. The only difference is this. Is your mind like a big river, or a small bowl?" Arav was shocked. For the first time, he understood the truth of life. The sage said, "If your mind is small, even a tiny problem will make you bitter. But if your mind is big, even a big problem will dissolve. Make your mind large, and life will become peaceful on its own." Hearing this, tears came into Arav's eyes. The pain he had carried for years became lighter in that moment. Arav's life changed from that day. When he returned from the ashram, he was no longer the same person. Now he faced every problem like a river. He absorbed it, dissolved it, and let it flow away. Slowly, his work improved, his relationships improved, and most importantly, his mind became peaceful. Moral of the story: problems remain the same, but if your mind changes, your whole life can change. We get upset by small things, which makes our mind sad. We should ignore these small things and focus on our work. If you want to learn English with wisdom, please subscribe this channel.